Hello friends, welcome. We are from Bangladesh. We are Ruhani and we are buying office and factory from Bangladesh, and we are proudly announcing that we are from the second largest country who is exporting the garments item to the world. So we have just started our buying office, but our factory is running for last 8 years, and we are so much confident that we can export some items which are reasonably priced and with high quality. Actually, the main thing is that we are new to the online presence, and we are believing that YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and this space can change one business, and we need your support, and you will get a lot of item. But it's a request to you because I want that you should also support our channel so that we can get the business. We have set up all the things. We have the factory, but we have set up our buying office, and we take the initiative so that we can get our real online buyers and real buyers, direct buyers, because we are from our factory, what we are selling the goods to the sourcing agents or like other buying office, but actually we don't have our own buyers. So for that reason we have taken the initiative so that we can sell our good and we can introduce our good to the world, and we can just sell our product proudly, and we can deliver a very good service and very good satisfaction to you. And we are trusted, like, because we are doing our business for long 7 years and for long time, and we have a very good reputation with our bank and other financial institutions. So from the next video we'll show that what type of items we have, but I generally prefer to export those kind of goods because which products you can just make, customize, and you can make some print and other works. And not only that, but also because we are also exporting to Middle East like Qatar and like Dubai. So actually we can handle the small MOQ and the big MOQ also. It's not a problem, and we have many links to the other factories who are working with the denim and like the twill and the single jersey, Remy cotton, and lots of item. So I just want that you just support our channel so that we can just show up our goods to the international buyers, and I hope that you will promote our channel, and so that we can do some business, because we have make a lots of investment here so that we can deliver a very good quality product to you. And I personally apologize because if they are set up like like the lighting setup, the video quality editing setup, and also you can also say that the English is not so much good. But if you are not a garments importer, or if you are also not dealing with garments, but then also I hope that you should support our channel so that we have taken the risk that and the challenge that okay, we are coming to the online and we will make our business, and it's like that our channel will show up that how our company is going to develop each and every day, and how can we reach the peak of the success. So I hope that you will be with us with our challenge and with our buying office. And I also hope that whenever you will come to Bangladesh, I invite you to visit our office, and I also invite you to visit our factory, and I also want that you check our product, see your product, and then you take some decision, and you will also get our WhatsApp number and the other contacting information. So by that way, I hope that we'll make a business, and our team and our subscribers and our followers, all we will reach to some place that so that we can deliver some facilities and some satisfaction and some very good products to the world. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.